Hi, and welcome back to Elle's Diaries. Today we will be having an additional series to my diary, which will be called Elle's Adventures. Yeah, I'm taking you to places now. We're not staying in my apartment anymore. We're going out and doing something fun. Also, it's Virgo season. Prepare to be sick of me. Anyways, today I'm taking you to go shoot some guns. That's right, we're going in a shooting range day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for a long time now, but the places that you could do it are far from me. You know, most of them are in the north. I'm a south girly, not doing that. I'm not traveling all the way up there just to go shoot some guns, but luckily we found a place that we could do it. That's just around the area. I'll show you guys the place later if you want to do it as well. But yeah, that's where we're going. I'm so excited. Also today I am doing it with one of my best friends, Sophia. Y'all are gonna meet her later. She is one of my university friends. So we've been friends for what, almost 8 years? Can you imagine? Anyways, my ride is here. I gotta go and see you later.
Hi po, welcome po.
Ano pa, ma'am? Kailan kami? Diretso mula itong side ko sa garden. Ganda ng kalapit dito, ha? Ito mo si Ivan. Kailan yung inagit sa likod? Ready ka na, ganda ng
How do you hold it?
ako nung dapat mo na yan. Yung right thumb, kapatong yun dito.
Kapatong po.
Opo, dito, patong lang. Tapos yung kaliwa naman dito. Dapat itong side, nakalagay sa dito. Dikit mo.
Ganito po?
Yan, okay. Yung isa, no. Silipin nyo lang po ito dito. Yan. Okay, good, okay. Good, ka. Okay, kailan naka-forward ka lang dito. Dito na. Yan, okay. Muli siya. Right, one more. Last. Yun lang gagawin niyo, mama.
Okay pa.
Okay. Last. Okay. Four. Right. Set ulit. Set ka ulit. Right.
Apa,
Yeah.
like this.
Right, go. Tapat ulit. Tapat ulit.
I've just been reviewing Bond's tests. Seems you've passed.
Debrief of that shooting range date. Girl, it was so fun. Oh my god. It was so fun that I would love to do it again with the bigger guns. Because what we had was the small gun. Do not know my guns. I'm not sure if that was a pistol, but I think it is. Girl, I loved it. I loved it so much. It was exciting because it's a new feeling. I've never held a gun before. Okay, that was my first time holding a real gun, a loaded one. It was scary, of course. Like, I didn't know what to do, but the instructor was very kind. He was patient. He was very clear with his instructions. He's telling me what to do, how to point it. And yeah, I love the experience overall. The people in the shooting range are very nice. And we made conversations with them. They're usually busy around the weekend, so there was a cutoff. But thankfully, we got in before the cutoff, so that was good. I'm definitely going back and doing it again. Sophia and I, yeah, we were scared at first because the gun was heavy. I was not expecting it to be heavy like that. I know it's gonna be heavy, but I don't know what I'm expecting, like what weight. But yeah, the moment I held it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. It's really fun. I love experiencing new things and pushing myself to go out of my comfort zone, to do new things, discover new hobbies. As I always tell myself, it's okay to be scared. Do it scared rather than not do it at all. You know, do it anyways. Life is too short to waste your time overthinking about things. That's what I learned. Just do it. If you want to experience something, do it. I was not expecting to hit the target, but girl, I did. You see that? You see? You see that? Bullseye, baby. And it's my first time. Duh. Hello, I'm a Virgo. I want to be good at everything the first time I try something, okay? Okay? Not to brag, but I did hit the target. You know what that A stands for? All the men who did me dirty. I had so much rage because I'm on my period by the time that I did this. Yeah, you understand. You understand what's on my mind? Yeah. Anyways, again, thank you for joining me in this experience. I hope to bring you guys again to other adventures. I have a list of things that I would love to do and I'd love to bring you. I'd love to share it with you. And yeah, see you next time for another adventure. Bye.
Mission accomplished?
I think the client was blown away.